dawn spills across the savanna, stretching long shadows that warn of hidden dangers waiting ahead. A lone Homo erectus moves through whispering grass, unaware that giants already track his presence. Birds erupt from the brush, and instinct tells him danger moves wherever silence suddenly rises. A strange vibration pulses beneath the soil, hinting that something massive prowls just out of sight. Grass parts behind him as an unseen shape glides low, silent as drifting smoke across the earth. Dust lifts in columns across the horizon, signaling the movement of powerful creatures awakening. A colossal Syncaris antiquus emerges alone, its horns catching the sun like twin curved blades. Beneath tangled roots, a giant python stirs, its ancient body coiling with cold, patient precision. Scales shimmer as its immense form unravels, awakening with the hunger of a timeless predator. It tastes the air, sensing the faint, warm signature of a Homo erectus wandering nearby. Rodents scatter in terror, knowing a silent killer has reclaimed its hunting ground once more. A startled warthog bolts, but the serpent ignores it, tracking a greater opportunity ahead. It vanishes beneath tall grass, preparing the perfect ambush for whatever crosses its path. The massive Syncaris antiquus bull exhales steam, declaring ownership over a wide stretch of land. The bull scrapes deep trenches, sharpening its intent as much as its intimidating, curved horns. Herd calls echo behind it, but rage blinds the bull to everything except the trespassing scent. It charges, hooves tearing earth, following the trail toward the human's unsuspecting steps. A shift of wind delivers a new scent, serpent musk, deepening the bull's bristling agitation. The python erupts from the grass, missing the human by inches as its strike cuts through dust. The buffalo slams into the serpent. A cloud of dust explodes upward as two giants grapple in a violent storm. Homo erectus hides behind a log. The buffalo swings its horns, tearing soil as the serpent slides away with frightening speed. Coils tighten around massive legs, forcing the bull to stagger and bellow in pain. The human covers his ears as the giants thrash. Gazelles flee in panicked bursts, sensing the chaos spreading through the trembling savanna. Vultures spiral overhead, anticipating a kill long before the battle reaches its final moment. Baboons screech from nearby rocks, warning their troop of monstrous danger in the grasses. Tremors push the Homo erectus to climb higher ground, desperate to stay out of harm's reach. Insects rise in confused swarms as vibrating earth disrupts their fragile, hidden worlds below. The python drags the buffalo backward, carving deep ruts as its coils tighten mercilessly. The human feels each tremor through his chest. Circling cautiously, Homo erectus spots a broken spear half buried in the cracked earth. A quick test against a tree confirms the spear still carries deadly potential in skilled hands. He climbs a boulder to find positioning that might give him a chance to strike effectively. A group of Homo erectus came to rescue the giant buffalo. The serpent coils once more, crushing ribs with relentless strength honed over ages.
Now, finish it! Look out, the serpent! We must pull it off! Attack the beast! Get its head! We feast tonight! It's got me! Help! Strike now! Aim for the head!
The spear plunges upward, piercing the serpent's lower jaw with a brutal, desperate strike. It lowers its massive horns and lunges forward with unstoppable, desperate momentum. Homo erectus stumbles back, overwhelmed by the brutal suddenness. The buffalo, bleeding heavily, struggles to remain standing after its final violent effort. The python's lifeless coils lie motionless, a fallen titan overtaken by savanna justice. Homo erectus approaches cautiously, touching the cold scales in awe of the monster's size. He retrieves his bent spear, the shaft scarred by the force of his desperate survival strike. Vultures descend lower, eager to claim the remains of the giant serpent's massive body. Knowing predators will soon arrive, the human backs away and disappears into tall grass. He retreats toward distant trees, grateful to escape a battle no human was meant to witness. Lions gather around the serpent's carcass, claiming the remains left by the giant's battle. Far across the savanna, the buffalo rejoins its herd, wounded but still standing strong. Sunset floods the plains with gold, turning the battlefield into a glowing memory of survival. The human lifts his stone tool, reminded that courage is his greatest weapon in this world. Nature whispers its lesson. Only the bold endure in the dangerous dawn of Homo erectus.